All right, let's talk about something pretty cool. AI video generators, specifically the ones that are, free. It seems like every day a new tool pops up, but which ones are actually worth your time? Today, we're going to look at two fantastic options that won't cost you a penny.
So, I'm sure some of you have noticed this. Your favorite tool, maybe it was Gonk AI, was amazing, it was free, and then, boom, paywall. It's the classic story, right? A great tool gets popular, and suddenly it's behind a pretty expensive subscription. It leaves a lot of us scrambling to find a good alternative.
But hey, don't sweat it. The world of AI moves at lightning speed. And just as that door closes, a couple of new ones just flew right open. I've got two brand new and, for now, completely unlimited alternatives that are going to solve this exact problem for you. Ready? Let's jump into the first one.
Okay, first up on our list is an app called YT Create. This one is all about making things easy and accessible, letting you whip up videos right there on your phone.
And when I say easy, I mean it's ridiculously simple. You just grab it from the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, which takes like 2 seconds, and you're basically there. Just upload a picture, tell it what you want it to do in the prompt, hit that Generate button, and then export it straight to your phone. It really doesn't get much more straightforward than that.
And the results are genuinely great. The AI does a fantastic job bringing a static image to life. Look at him go! It's not instant, for sure, but it kind of feels like that old saying, slow and steady wins the race. The quality you get at the end is absolutely worth the short wait. And here's the best part, the real kicker. As of right now, there are no limits. None. You can make as many videos as you want. Now, who knows if that'll change down the road, but for now, it's a completely open playground for you to get creative.
All right, on to our second solution, which is Erna AI. Now, this one's a little different from YT Create because it's a web-based tool. You just use it right in your browser.
The first thing you'll notice about Arena AI is just how clean and simple the interface is. There are no confusing menus or a million buttons to click. It's just straight to the point. They make it super clear how to get from your image to a finished video.
Getting started is a breeze here too. You just Google Arena AI, pick the video option, toss in your image, and write a quick prompt. Honestly, you can even just type animate and see what it comes up with. You do have to sign up real quick. I just use Google to make it fast. A little heads up though, this one can be a bit on the slow side, so you gotta have a little patience.
But oh man, that patience really pays off. The videos you can get from Arena AI are pretty amazing. I mean, just look at that sunset. It's genuinely beautiful. And it has a secret weapon. It often adds its own dialogue or sound that fits the scene, which just takes the whole thing to another level.
Okay, so there is one small catch. Arena AI does put a little watermark on the video, but, and this is a big but, it only appears for a second at the very, very end of the clip. So you can literally just trim that last second off in any video editor. It's a super easy fix for what you're getting.
So there you have it, two awesome free tools. But which one is the right one for you? Let's put them head to head and take a look.
Okay, here's the breakdown. It really just depends on what you need. If you're on your phone and you need something done fast with no watermark, YT Create is your winner, hands down. But if you're on a computer and you want something with a little more artistic flair, like that added dialogue, and you don't mind a little wait and trimming a tiny watermark, then Arena AI is fantastic. And the most important part, for now, they're both unlimited. So what's the big picture here? Let's do a quick recap of what all this means for you and your creative projects.
So the problem was simple. GoCo AI went behind a paywall. But the solution is even simpler. We've got YT Create, the super fast watermark-free app. And we've got Arena AI, the web tool with that cool dialogue feature and a tiny editable watermark. The bottom line is that you have two powerful and currently unlimited options at your fingertips. You should definitely try them both.
And this all leads us to the one big question, doesn't it? In the world of AI, where things change every single day, how long will tools this powerful actually stay free and unlimited? The honest answer is, we don't know. And that's exactly why you should jump in and start playing with them right now while you can.